Hello friends, you're welcome to our channel once again. My name is Sam and I'm so happy to welcome you today, guys. And from today's video, we are starting a new series of top-down analysis of crypto coins and how you can position yourself on different altcoin pairs. All right, so we'll be dedicating a video to a coin because we are going to do top-down analysis of a pair. All right, so I wouldn't want you to miss that, especially if you're interested in catching the breakout session of different coins. If you're interested in catching the breakout, and actually is in the breakout that big money is being made, all right? It's the breakout that's been money being made. So that's why you need to pay very good attention to what will be starting from today. And also, I wouldn't want you to miss on it. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, share this video to any of your friends, and subscribe to this channel, guys. So in today's video, guys, our first coin we're going to be looking at will be what? An Ethereum, guys. So we're starting from the monthly chart down to 1 hour chart on Ethereum, guys. All right, so guys, let's dive into the chart. As you can see now, this is monthly chart of Ethereum and what Ethereum has done in the past. So we are doing an analysis, a top-down analysis using a wave theory. You can use Elliott's wave theory or Dow wave theory. So we can see that obviously that Ethereum has made a very massive bull run. So we can see we're having what? This is our first wave. This is our second wave. And obviously third wave is always the biggest. So we're expecting this thing to play out this way. All right, so let's dive in and see what's going on with it. If you go to the weekly, if I go to the weekly now, you can see from here now that we expected the third wave to end using this. We expected the third wave to end on 162. Okay, so 1.618 or 2.618. So this is where third wave we're expecting it to end. All right, so that's the third wave for you, and that's where we position our take profit before. So now let's dive into the daily, because here now you can see it's a vertical move, so there's not much thing to grab here except this corrective structure here. So this corrective structure here, let's just label it. Let's label this corrective structure that we can see here. I think it will be more clear on daily. Let's go to daily so that this one will be more clear on daily. So this is a kind of a contracting flat on daily. So we have this. So we had 1, 2, 3. So all this one we can call it 3. So we can use, there are different ways you can do that. For now, this take profit is already met, so let me remove it to make the charts clean. All right, so we can use a channel, which I think should be better off. We can use a channel on this because of the way Ethereum is moving. All right, so know when the channel is broken. Okay, so if you put a channel here, we might have a channel from here to here. Okay, so you can use this channel as a guide. Okay, this channel is just a guide to let us know what is going on and how we can position ourselves for the next move, guys. Okay, so rest of the way we can put that channel here. I think, yeah, this is better off. So put this channel here, guys. So this channel is telling us how we can position ourselves, and it's just a guide on the momentum side. So what is it telling us here now? That this channel has been broken, so on the positive side, which is very big momentum. So what are we expecting? Is this wave over? Now, we don't just take profit based on our fib level, we take profit based on structure level. Okay, so let's dive into the 4 hours now to see actually if this wave is over or not. That is on this, because you have seen 1, 2, 3 here on a bigger structure. So if you go to 4 hours, clear. Now you can see now from here now in 4 hours we now saw another running flat here, which we identified last time. Running flat. Okay, so this was a running flat. We identified this last time. I think we told you guys that, hey, everybody needs to pay attention to this running flat. So if I can level it here, let you guys know that this is a running flat, okay, so that you pay very good attention to it. It's a continuation pattern for say. It's a continuation pattern. So after this breakout of this contracting flat, so what we have now, we have an impulse here, a contracting flat here, an impulse here, a running flat here, but this running flat is smaller than this contracting flat, so we now have another impulse. Okay, so now this running flat now leads to this breakout section of this one. So here now we are correcting. So let's look at it critically and see what we are doing here. So now this is 4 hours. Now if you take a look from our MACD, you can see there is a divergence in MACD and there's a divergence in that is on this before this wave actually started. So if you take a look from this, sorry, let me make it more clear. So if you take a look from this one is going up, this one is coming down, and this one is coming down. So what does this tell you? It tells you that the momentum already is weak, and that's why we start seeing this sharp sell-off and sharp sell-off. So now, is this sell-off over, or what are we expecting from here? Okay, so let's dive in now to 1 hour for us to define that clearly. So now let's bring out the chart clear. So you can see now we had already A, B, C. Now, but now in theory, in Elliott's wave theory or wave theory, this wave here, this wave, particularly this wave, because it's sharp, kind of, it's not qualified to be a B wave. All right, it's not qualified to be a B wave. So because of that sharpness of it, it's not qualified to be a B wave. So that's a rule that you guys might not really know now. So, but one thing we are looking at for now is we're actually looking at for 3-wave correction of this move that is coming here. 3-wave correction of this move that is coming here, guys. So because this is very sharp, how wish this is a 3-wave now fully. It have been then another thing we should check out for now is let's check out for how is there any divergence between here and here. Is there any divergence? Okay, let's check it out. There's no divergence here. There's no divergence here. All right, so now the next thing we can look at, we can predict now is 2 things. Now the first one is that this might make another sharp impulse here. Okay, make another sharp impulse here, making this a complete flat. Then you come down. Then from here, then we can now start going up for the next wave. This is the first scenario that might happen. Then the second one might be this one from here, making a very massive, pullback, breaking this all time, then coming back like this and going up. Okay, so in that scenario, you still make this one to be running flat. Why this and this is the same thing, and there we go. Okay, you can see the 2 scenario on how this thing might play out. Okay, but in a nutshell, what we're expecting from here now is what is a breakout. We're expecting a breakout from here. In both scenario, we're expecting a breakout from here, guys. So I wouldn't want you to miss this breakout because nobody knows whether it's going to stop here or it's going to stop here. Okay, so you wouldn't want to miss this breakout. So how do you position yourself on this breakout? That's the most important question. How do you position yourself on this breakout? So you can see now, looking at this, you can position yourself where this has made 1, 2, 3. So the way it's looking, there might be a retest before going up. Okay, there might be a retest before going up. So the safest way to position yourself is just to wait for this next pullback. Okay, wait for this next pullback. Putting an entry order here might be dangerous. Why? Because it might tag you like this and come down and before going up again. So the best thing is to just wait for the next pullback. Wait for the next pullback, guys. Definitely it's going to happen. Okay, it's going to happen. The next pullback is going to happen. So once this pullback has completed, it might be as sharp as this one. It might be as sharp as this one, but just wait for that next pullback, and there we go. Then as you are taking this trade, bear in mind that we are still expecting the next pullback to complete this structure, okay, or breaking it to depends to complete the bigger wave. All right, so that's how we take the trade, guys. So you can see now that trading is all about acts. All right, so we trade it down, understanding the bigger wave structure, then straight scaling it down. I wouldn't go below 1 hour because there are all noise there down there. All right, so breaking it down to see where the market is going from there. All right, so this is where I'll be drawing the curtain for now. So I want you to pay attention to what the market will be doing from here now, and how you can position yourself is just to wait for this wave to be completed. And there we go. Okay, well, let me just see. Okay, you can see now this is 15 minutes. Okay, this is 15 minutes. So the way it's looking here now is not that good. So we have had this sharp impulse. So this might come down from here, or this might break out here and come down. So it depends on this, but we're expecting this sharp impulse to occur, guys, before the next wave. So position yourself there, and if you ask me where exactly, it might take a fib here, and let's say 618 fib here at 33.29 level. You might come there and then you take your trade. All right, so I believe you have gained a lot of in-depth knowledge on where the Ethereum will be going from here, and how you can position yourself for the next wave. So kindly subscribe to this channel, guys, because we'll be doing this kind of video on different altcoin or different crypto, even on forex too. Okay, so to help you guys remain profitable, subscribe to this channel, click on that like button, and see you on the next video.